Now, I like to compare. I like to know your judgment. Compare with rats, mouse, which are smarter. Okay? In Erewhon store, in Newberry store, many years ago, many rats, okay, more and more increase. But no one didn't want to kill because all of them macrobiotic, very gentle heart. Okay? And basement, many grains, many crackers, many this and that, beans, so forth, peanuts, etc. For those rats, that's paradise. They were enjoying it. So, finally, so many rats, even stores, right? The display place, while customer the rat goes. Okay. All right. So, all the radiators jumped. Right? So now store staff all met. We must do now something. Or someone said, maybe we should have a net, like a metal net. Catch that. Then some girl said, after catch, what do you do? Then he said, dip in water. Then other people, oh, don't kill that. What shall we do? What shall we do? Right? Maybe chemicals good. Oh no, we can't spread this store, this wonderful macrobiotic store, the chemicals, no. Many ideas came, many ideas knocked down. Finally, they decided the new technology, that is ultrasound vibration. Ultrasound vibration. That we can't hear. Human ear cannot hear. Rats can hear. High frequency sound. We can't hear, but rats can hear. Okay? Let's put that. Okay? Then rats all fly away. So they decided, and they put here and there, just store in the basement. Several days passed. Rats are still there. But suddenly, storage workers noticed rats stopped to eat various food and rats began to eat certain foods only. Okay? Two kinds of food only. And no more eating all other sorts of food. Okay? Right. All right. Now, in your case, if you are, what do you eat those two kinds of food? They began to start to eat, as many of you expected, brown rice and seaweed only. It's very amazing, their intuition. For them now, emergency situation, okay, high frequency vibration coming. Okay? Under that circumstance, in order to survive or live, giving strength, resist to that high frequency vibrations. Okay? Eat brown rice and seaweed.
What seaweed?
Okay? It's great.